one. Let's see what he has to say. Let's start with something nice and simple. What about a nice hello?
Hello.
Wow, a sweet hello. Now, as you all know, his name is Amigo. But did you know that he can introduce himself? Would you like to tell everyone here your name?
Amigo.
Let's try that one more time. What's your name?
Amigo.
Amigo it is. Now, Amigo, there's so many people here to see you today. How would you like to greet all these nice people?
How are you?
Wow, Amigo's asking, how are you? So how is all of you feeling today? Are you doing good? That's great. Now, Amigo here loves to sing a very special song. But before that, is anyone here celebrating their birthdays today? Anyone here raise up your hands? I see someone pointing out there. Happy birthday to you. 2. Anyone else? 3. Happy birthday. Anyone from there? 4. Right up there. Anyone else? Alright, I hope I'm not missing anyone out, okay? So this special song goes out to you. Let's sing!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Now that's a birthday song by Amigo, and thank you for celebrating your birthday right here at Bird Paradise. I must say that was pretty amazing, right, Yomi?
Yes, indeed. But hold on, everyone.